Assalamu alaikum, class 8A and B. Today we are going to study the chapter number 12, Bermuda Triangle, the mystery. So I'm starting this chapter and I'll explain it to you. Our world is full of mysteries, its dense forests, polar caps, and vast oceans where not many people have ventured, have many beauties. So in these lines, we are getting to know that our world is full of mysteries. Mysteries means things which are difficult to explain, and it have forests, polar caps. Polar caps, the regions with high altitude that are covered with ice, and vast oceans where not many people have ventured. Ventured means visited, have many beauties, and such places, such points have many beauties. However, they also have many mysteries hidden in their depths. But such places have so many mysteries also. There is one such region, the Bermuda Triangle, and one of the regions is also known as the Bermuda Triangle, which is mysterious region. Okay, in the oceans of the north, whose mystery has left many of us surprised yet scared. So the location of Bermuda Triangle is in the ocean of the north, and its mystery left us surprised and scared. What we know. The Bermuda Triangle is a roughly defined region in the western part of the Atlantic Ocean. The triangle is marked between Florida, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda. So Bermuda Triangle is a roughly drawn triangle which is present between three regions. The Florida, as you can see in the diagram, Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda Triangle and Bermuda Island. Okay, this is a highly mysterious region in the sea because many ships and aircraft have disappeared in this area. So why the Bermuda Triangle is known as mysterious region? Because many ships and aircraft have disappeared over there. No evidence or traces of these vessels have been found ever since their disappearance. And after the disappearance, there are no traces or no evidence of the vessels found over there. The area is one of the most frequently traveled parts of the ocean by the shipping companies for commercial and other purposes. So this area is used by the shipping companies uh, to transfer the commercial things or any other purposes. Okay, still it maintains its image of a dangerous territory while mysterious things happen over there. Many mysterious things happen. Okay, what we think, different explanations and theories have been suggested by experts for the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. There are different explanations and theories given for the disappearance or in the Bermuda Triangle. Some blame the violent weather conditions of this region for all the mysteries. According to the theories, the seas are very dangerous in this area and the weather is often very bad. So some of the explanations or theories blame the weather conditions of the Bermuda Triangle, that they are very violent, and because of the violent weather, the ships over there disappear. Okay, now next page. Tropical cyclones, hurricanes, and downbursts of cold air could have been the result of the disappearance. And the next reason, tropical cyclones. The tropical cyclones are strong winds rotating. The strong winds that rotate are known as tropical cyclones or hurricanes. Okay, they are also called as the reason for the disappearances of the ships in the Bermuda Triangle. Another natural explanation for these mysterious disappearances could be the presence of the Gulf Stream in this region of the ocean. And the another reason is the Gulf Stream present in the ocean. According to many theories, the Gulf Stream, which is a major surface current, flows through this area of the Atlantic Ocean, and because of its great velocity, it can carry away the floating objects. So, what is the Gulf Stream? It is a surface current that flows through the area of the Atlantic Ocean, and because when it flows, it takes away the floating objects with itself. Okay, with its flow, it takes the floating object also. So it is believed by many that this current could also have been the result of drifting various vessels away from the charted course. So on this basis, the Gulf Stream is also called as the reason, or also known as the reason for the disappearances of the vessels over over there in the Bermuda Triangle. Some theorists believe that there are magnetic rocks under the sea. The magnetism from these rocks affects the accuracy of the navigational compasses in ships and planes, thereby misguiding the captain or the pilot. Many a time, the missing vessels have been found drifting away from the direction they were initially headed towards. So another reason which is known is that the magnetism of the rocks under the sea, that they affect the navigational compasses of the ships and they misguide the captain, and that's why the vessels start missing over there. Some scientists have discovered a series of underwater craters at the bottom of the Barents Sea off the coast of Norway. Though the craters do not exactly lie inside the Bermuda Triangle, they are still considered to be one of the possibilities of the region's mysterious phenomena. These craters are believed to have been created by explosions of methane gas. These methane explosions could create froth or bubbles on the surface of the sea, which may lead to sinking of ships. So another reason is thought that craters could be responsible for the disappearances of the vessels, as the craters do not lie exactly inside the Bermuda Triangle, but they are believed that they create explosions of methane gas, and these methane gas create froth or bubbles, which causes the sinking of the ship. Many such natural or scientific explanations have been provided by experts to explain the mysterious disappearances. Scientists have given different explanations for the disappearances of the vessels. However, some people also attribute them to supernatural occurrences. They believe that aliens from another planet come down and take these vessels back to their planet, while some of the people believe that there are aliens coming down and taking away the vessels with themselves. This explanation has not been accepted as a valid one by the academia, but this alien explanation is not accepted by the academia, which means by the educational research, but has been widely used by popular media for discussing the subject among the masses. But this reason is used by the media to popularize the Bermuda Triangle mysteries. Okay, what we witness. Okay, class. Now rest of the chapter I'll continue in the next class.